How to use Character AI without account. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use Character AI without account. Now, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your PC and navigate to the search bar. Then type in Character AI. After you type in Character AI, this is going to show you some results. From this, you'll have to choose the first result that will be named https Character.AI. Now click on this link that says Character AI, personalized AI for every moment of your day. Now this is going to open a new tab on your PC. You'll have to wait and you will see a create an account or sign in pop-up appearing at your screen. On this screen, click on the cross icon at the top right corner. Now you will see the Character AI's sign up or login page. So if you want to sign up or log in, you'll have to basically click on these two buttons. But we are going to see how to use Character AI without logging in or creating an account. So the simple method to do that is navigating here and clicking on any one of these chat boxes that you're seeing. So for example, I will chat with this character, that is Itoshi Rin. I'll just click on it and as you can see, I'm able to type in a message and Itoshi Rin is responding to me. Now click on the send button and as you can see it says create an account. So in some cases users have seen that they don't get this pop-up, but sometimes they get this pop-up that is create an account pop-up. They get this pop-up for signing in. So you'll have to basically create an account and sign in if you're not able to talk. If you are able to talk to any one of these characters without signing up, you'll have no problem using Character AI without an account. But if you see this pop-up, you'll have to create an account and sign in on Character.AI. So that's how you can do it. If you found this really helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.